This is Walton with Autotech Electronic. We're working on a 2013 Fiat 500. Customer towed it in. He's got two flip remote key. They're locking and unlocking the doors, at least one of them. And basically the symptoms is when you turn the key to when you turn the key to run, okay, the security light right here is solid on. Okay, it looks like it's flashing, but no, it's solid on. It's the camera that is making a flash. But anyways, the little car with the lock is solid on, and the vehicle is not cranking. Okay, so we're going to be testing it and checking it. So we're gonna have a series of videos on different issues that Fiat 500 may have. Stay tuned. Read the description for different links. Thanks for watching.